Hello everyone, this is rosanamod. Welcome to my channel, rosanamod. Today I have a special treat for you in my second video. I am going to go visit my mother, which I do every week, and she's going to cook something very special for me, and I thought it would be a good idea if she did it in front of the camera. Didn't take a lot of coaxing, but it's going to be fun, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a special treat. Stay tuned. And yes, she speaks Spanish, so it will be a little bit of a little Spanglish thing going on there, but mostly in English, so you'll understand. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to comment, like, and share, and I will see you in a little bit. Ciao!
Frida, como dijo mi hija, y voy a demostrarles a ustedes cómo hacer los tortellines en una manera muy fácil. Primeramente, les voy a mostrar los ingredientes. Tengo acá las especies, orégano, adobo y sage. Son especies que me gustan. Un huevo, tengo pechuga picada, una taza de pechuga, una cucharadita de sal.
It's perfect right here. I only tengo tus manos nada más.
Okay. I wait over here. I go vértice con el vértice.
Si quieres hablar, sí, habla en español si quieres.
Esquina con esquina.
Right, corner to corner.
Aprieto,
Press.
trato de sacar el aire.
Tries to take out the air.
Lo levanto y I push this y cierro y aprieto el corner here.
Okay.
Y ya está el tortellini.
Okay, there it goes. You see it? All right. Let's just do another one. So the water works kind of like a glue.
Right.
It seals the pieces together.
You see? That is perfect.
Perfect.
Now, I wet this.
She wets the corner.
I pick it up a little bit this. I press over here.
So you have to be careful not to put too much filling.
I close over here.
Looks like a cowboy hat. Yeah.
Right.
All right, not really.
And
There you go.
the
It does look
tortellini.
like a cowboy hat.
It is very easy to cook. You put it, lo pone en agua caliente. Apenas levantó,
Has to be boiling.
sacarlo.
Boiling water.
Boiling water. Apenas levantó, sacarlo.
Right. So you're gonna boil the water. You're gonna put these in. Does it matter how many you put in there?
Never open.
Yeah, it won't open. As soon as you put it in the boiling water, when it floats up to the top, it's done. Right? Okay. Cuando flota en el agua, están hechos.
Right.
Be careful not to put too much
Yeah.
filling. I can see me putting too much. You know,
Yeah.
I'd probably put too much. I could see myself doing it, especially if you use like ground beef, where it's thicker than the chicken. And how many do you think that serves? Like a whole package of those squares. How many people do you think that serves?
The package is a lot.
Yeah, like a whole package.
It
If you
is
do the,
it is
it?
a lot. Yeah.
Maybe 4
is a
people.
lot.
Maybe 4.
It is a lot
Yeah.
because there's a lot of layers on it.
Yeah.
¿Cómo sacamos esto?
Okay, look at that. That's nice. They look really good. Can you use olive oil to seal, or does it have to be water?
No.
It has to be water.
Has to be water.
Okay. I don't even know why I asked that.
I did. This is already humid over here.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can feel it. You see?
Perfect. It does look like a little hat.
It is like a tortellini, a big tortellini. That's the same shape.
So easy. You don't have to make flour.
You don't have to make the dough.
The dough, that's what I
Yeah.
meant. You don't have to make the dough. She knows more English than I do. You don't have to make the dough. That's how you used to make them.
You can make it with the spinach, with the
Oh, yes, spinach is good.
acelga, con
¿Cómo se dice acelga en inglés?
sweet chard.
Sweet chard is acelga. Okay, you can make, I love that. That's really good. Eso no como se hace la pascualina. Con acelga or sin spinach?
Yeah, it's pascualina, sí.
Okay, pascualina. That's it. Pascualina you make, well, we're going to make that. She's going to be making that in one of the videos I want to show because that's delish. It's delicious. I don't even know how to say pascualina
And it's
in
very
English.
healthy.
It's like a spinach pie, I guess you could say.
I love to cook.
Yeah.
All my life I cook. Impreso dije, I want to make one plate only today.
Okay, that's perfect.
Because that is
Boiling, and now she's going to put the little tortellinis in there. We're going to stand here and watch it so you can see when it gets ready. Okay. Now, do you mess with the flame at all? Do you leave it just the way it is?
yeah.
Okay. What setting is it on? Like medium or high?
Oh, high, yeah. To keep it boiling.
Okay. So it's got to stay boiling the whole time. Okay. You just don't touch it anymore and just...
Just leave it there that they come up.
Okay.
I started one coming. I want to wait for a little.
Yeah, one of them did come up, see?
Mm-hmm.
She's the one on the right side?
Yeah, because it's everything is cooked. Just the.
Well, that's true.
Mhm.
What? I thought you were not supposed to touch it. How do you know that they're going to float if you touch them?
You see that it's floating?
Already? I thought it was like 3 minutes.
It is floating. You see?
That's less than 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It was like a minute, less than a minute.
Well, you leave it 2 minutes, I think.
Would be a good guess. Oh, you're putting it over there.
No, I'm going to put in this one.
Okay. Ooh. That looks delicious. And then, what are you doing?
Ah, there is no more.
No.
Okay. I don't see very well.
Okay, so we're going to take that.
Now, let's put it some sauce or something.
Okay.
Vodka sauce. I like vodka. I love
She likes vodka, period. No.
vodka sauce. I like vodka. Sometimes.
She likes vodka sauce.
I must heat it this, but I want to put it. Está mal esto. Tendría que calentarlo primero.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Just put it on there. It doesn't matter. It's supposed to be hot, is what she's trying to say. She feels funny that she puts it on cold, but
Yes.
you get it. I mean, if you heat up the sauce first, or you could put it in the micro. Would that ruin it?
No.
You could put it in the
Put a
micro
little bit parsley for freshness.
or cilantro.
Para que quede fresco, cilantro, parsley. I like parsley.
And-
or green onions, it's the same thing.
And
that's
cheese,
it.
and you could top it with like Parmesan, but you didn't have any, so Parmesan or Romano cheese.
And that's my
That's
tortellini.
it. There's her tortellini. Thank you, Mom. Is that my plate?
You're welcome.
Is that my plate?
And wait for the next plate.
All right.
It's gonna be better.
I know. That's fine. It's perfect. All right. A la Frida. Bye. It's done and she's going to try it.
Yeah. Now I wanna try.
Lo va a probar.
Okay.
Be honest. That's a big knife, Ma. I don't think you're supposed to use that knife.
Well, it's the one that I have on hand.
Oh, my God.
I wanna take one. You see? That's delicious.
I'll get your Vitamita Vegemin. Delicioso, of course. Yeah, it's good.
Perfect.
Yeah, I know. That looks really good. You're eating my plate. Okay. All right, well, again, thank you guys for watching.